All right, so this is a very cool GitHub repository that was recommended to me. It's called MCP CLI, and here's why you should definitely check it out. So this is a command line tool first for interacting with MCP servers, basically making a MCP client on your end, but it also has a GUI and a Next.js front end as well, which I have yet to explore, but definitely will get into. So MCP servers out there exist, and what you need is basically a kit or like a toolkit in this case, an MCP client to you can connect to, like it mentions, the repository mentions, to connect to MCP compatible servers, and you can essentially enable the LLM that's running using MCP servers to browse the web, any database, any other form of files or databases that you may have. Yeah. So as soon as I saw it, the first thing I did was fork it. So I have this on my own repository. I cloned it into my WSL environment. Although I must say that the setup is not easy, since there are some um, package issues that you might need to resolve, and I can let you know what those are. So the first error, this was on me. This is WSL error, I think, on outbound rules. So when you run sudo apt update, it won't work. So you need to configure your Windows Defender firewall, and once you've done that, it works like a breeze. Next, although the repository mentions that you need Python 3.8 or above, you'd better off downloading or using Python 3.11 or 3.12. And you can see once you have all the setup.py has all the packages that you require, and it'll take some time, but you'll get those all done. So run mcp --help and you'll get a list of commands, since there's a CLI here to help you out too. So the command I was running and it was causing an error repeatedly was mcp add. Local files would be a server here, but this was something that I couldn't resolve at first. So what you'll need to do is set up a config folder and a config.json file. So basically the core.py file is the brain, and you'll have to add the JSON file to redirect it to use this file. And it all has to do with the Python arg parser, which is used in the CLI.py file, but you don't need to worry about that. Once you have this, it'll start running. So next time that you run MCP list, it'll give you all the servers that you have configured MCP servers. So local files is running now. Now, if you run MCP tools local files, it'll give you all of the tools that you can use from local file server. Make sure to go to platform.openai first and get some credit, and configure your env file and your OpenAI API key, add it here. And if I use this command, it uses a OpenAI model and gives me the output.